Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza baguette. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees F, slice a baguette lengthwise, brush with olive oil, and toast until golden. Spread marinara, sprinkle shredded mozzarella, add toppings like pepperoni or roasted veggies, then bake for 8–10 minutes until cheese bubbles and edges crisp. Let rest 2 minutes, slice into portions, and serve warm with basil and chili flakes for extra flavor, and enjoy. In this video, I will show how to make pizza baguette. Gather a sturdy baguette, good marinara, shredded mozzarella, and your favorite toppings. For lighter options, use veggies and a sprinkle of Parmesan. For indulgence, add sausage or extra cheese. Experiment with herbs like oregano or basil after baking for fresher aroma. Keep toppings modest so the baguette crisps well, and remember a quick broil can add appealing char and texture. In this video, I will show how to make pizza baguette. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for comfortable socks with a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing at the oven while you bake. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and kitchen tips. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pizza baguette. Use a preheated baking surface to crisp the bottom and avoid soggy results by draining wet toppings. Thin slices and moderate cheese coverage help everything heat through evenly, and a short broil adds color without burning. Cool completely before storing to prevent steam buildup, refrigerate up to 3 days, and reheat at 375 degrees F for best revived texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.